everybody, in this video you'll be learning about operators in JavaScript, especially assignment operators in JavaScript. So today we're going to be continuing the operators section inside of the course, and then today, last time we learned about arithmetic operators. Today we're going to be learning about assignment operators in JavaScript. So these are the assignment operators right now in JavaScript. So let's get started and let's actually take a look at each one of them. So here I've got VS Code, and then here I've just started off with my live server. This is how it looks. Now let's actually go ahead, declare a variable called num1. So the first operator is equal to, right? So equal to is what I'm using here. Even for const title is equal to. So this is for setting a value to a variable or changing the value of a variable, right? So num1 is equal to, let's say, 10. So now what this is going to do is it's going to say num1. Right? So what do you mean by num1? Num1 is a variable. And variable have both a name, and also they have a value. So the name is whatever you have provided over here. So this num1, right? So that's the name, num1. And then the value of that variable is going to be whatever you have provided over here after equal to. So that's 10. So that's what's happening here. And then we can do let num2 is equal to 10 also. The first operator is just for assigning or changing values of a variable. So how do we actually change the value of a variable? Simple. Just do num1 or num2 is equal to, again, and then some value right over there, right? So now we are changing the value of the variable. I'm going to do creating variables. This is changing values of variables. Creating variables and assigning them and giving them some value, right? The value is here, and this is how you set it. I'm just going to make this simple number like 20. Nice, and now what I can do is I can go ahead and actually talk about the next operator, which is plus equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do title, so that's the const, dot inner text is equal to, right? Then I'm going to do num1 plus equal to 2. Actually, that's not that way. I'm going to do num1 plus equal to num2. So, and then here the text is going to be 1. So, what this means, it's actually same as saying num1 is equal to num1 plus num2. Num1 plus num2 actually, plus num2. So what we're doing here is we're actually getting num1, which is a variable here, we have specified here. We're setting that to whatever the previous value of num1, which is 20 was, and we add the value of num2 to that, right? That means that's plus 10. So that's going to return a 30. Right now we go back, it returns 30. So you can actually take some kind of a screenshot or something of this. So you can later use it for reference. Okay, the next one is going to be minus equal to. So minus equal to is also same like plus equal to, but it subtracts the values. It returns 10. So what it does is just same as saying num1 is equal to num1 minus num2. That means 10 or 20 minus 10, right? So it's same as saying that. And of course, when we do 20 minus 10, that's going to return 10, right? So the next operator done. So all of these are simple. So next one is going to be multiplication equal to. Let's take a look at that. multiplication equal to. This is again same as saying this. So num1 is equal to num1 multiplied by num2. So here in this example, I'm using num1. You can use any other variable. You can also flip it around. You can say num2 plus equal to or minus equal to or multiplication equal to num2. You can also say it that way. Okay, so you can flip it around if you want, but you'll have to change the values also. You have to flip them around. So the same as saying that. Now when we hit save, it runs to 200. So what this does is it just gets the value of num1 and it sets the value of num1 to be num1 itself, that is 20, multiplied by the value of num2, which is 10. And of course 20 multiplied by 10 returns 200. Now we'll talk about the next operator, which is division equal to. This is also simple, so we can just do slash equal to, and this same as saying this, right? So it says num1 is equal to whatever the value of num1 was, that is 20, right? Divided by whatever the value of num2 was. So that's 10. Now if I hit save, it'll return 2, right? So this means that num1, which is 20, divided by 10, of course, is 20, right? So that's nice. That's nice. Now we'll talk about the last operator. So last assignment operator. There are more operators coming up. But for this video, after that, we'll just go ahead and talk about the next operator in the next video. So it's modulus equal to. And with this, it's same as saying this. So num1 modulus num2. So num1 is equal to num1 modulus num2. So modulus just returns the remainder of division. So in this case, it's 0. So 3, then it returns true. 2. Nice. So that's exactly what we want, right? So it returns the remainder of division. So yeah, that was actually the last operator on the list for today, guys. So if you guys enjoyed, let me know in the comments down below. And with that being said, I hope that now you have a better understanding about assignment operators in JavaScript. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that I can produce many videos like this one. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.